to tonight's live stream. I trust you're doing well. How has your day been? Yeah, has it been great? Just like mine has been. Thank you so much once again for joining. God bless you. If you're watching the replay, I say hi, hi, hi. And if you're here with me, let me see if any one of you is here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. Anyways, wow. Today has been an awesome day. It's actually been a remarkable day in the history of Bitcoin. Yes, especially in a very long time till now, right? Today, for your information, if you check it, you will see what I'm saying that Bitcoin hit 50K today. Bitcoin hit 50K today. And as you can see, it's showing a red button there because some whales went ahead and sold a whole lot of it. A lot of people went to sell off. I'm telling you, people cashed in. Let's go check it out before we look at the others. Look at the huge dump. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It went all the way to $50,368. Oh my God. Remember that I told you when we started the series that Bitcoin is going to hit 50K and above. I told you that, right? And at the time I was telling you it was just over 40K, like about 42K or something like that. So don't take our analysis for granted, okay? All right. So you see now, right now we're having some huge pumps in the past 2 hours after the huge dumps. That's what's going to happen. It's definitely going to begin to skyrocket after a while. But you can see here that a lot of people who've been waiting for this dump, and as I told you, the Bitcoin halving event is just about 60 days away. That's about 2 months from now. Bitcoin is going to be having that event. And of course, a lot of things are going to be leading up to that event. And these are the kind of things. So if you want to keep some Bitcoin in your portfolio and begin to harvest it later on, this is the time to get in. Anyway, let's go check on the hot page and see the other things that are currently working. Yes, I'm going to give you a quick recap. Let's go to what we did yesterday. Look at the screenshots we had yesterday. We had BNB at 323.7 and we had BTC at 49,895 and ETH was scourging on and going on well with 2,609. That's awesome. All right. We still had Solana at 110. We had ADA Cardano at 56 cents and Quick. Then we're going to look at all of those in the gainers section. Thank you so much, guys. I can see you guys coming into the room. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Go ahead and smash that like button, okay? Give that like button a smash. That's all you can do for me, okay? Go ahead and do that. Let YouTube know that you're getting some good, awesome stuff here. That's awesome. Right. And if you have any coins you want us to analyze, you can drop that in the chat. We'll do well to do that very quickly. So let's go ahead to what we're doing. So in the hot page, as you can see here, we had all these prices. Let's go see what the real-time effect really is right now. BNB is still at 323. It hasn't changed. Still, I'm seeing that there's a red button. That means that there's been some ups and downs. As you can see here, it went up a bit. In fact, if you look at it in the past 24 hours, it actually went up to 332. Whoop, whoop. Can you just imagine that? It rose all the way to 332. I guess that's been the highest in the past how many days right now? That was a really huge one. Then it dumped immediately. That's what happens. You know, when it gets to those heights, some people are just waiting. That's it. People are just waiting to cash out, right? And so you got to be observant about how these things are going. So it rose all the way to 332. Then it began to go down. It began to go down, went all the way. Let me check where it got to. I think it went all the way to 318 and now it's going back up. It's back to 323. So it's like almost like within the last 24 hours, it's come back to the same point where it was. That's it. So really BNB is still kind of undecided. We don't know what's going on with BNB as we speak, but I would say, well, it's still in the roller coaster, avenue. So probably you want to make sure it cures. But at this point, because I'm not seeing the parabolic SARS underneath it right now, I would say that give it some time, let it cure. Look at it. If you take a good look about this, let me look at the daily time frame. As you can see in the daily time frame is having a pullback right now. You can see yesterday it ran all the way to 332. But now today is having that pullback, and it will be good. I mean, on the daily, if you want to take this on the daily, that means you know that it's more or less going to be like a swing trade. It's not actually going to be hourly. So you're just going to take it and keep it for some time, and within a couple of days, it will definitely yield better outcomes. That's what it's showing us. Well, let's check the very low time frames to see what is going on the 1 minute. The 1 minute looks like it might be volatile. Oh, yeah, it is. Remember what I told you guys yesterday? That if you want to take this on the 1 minute time frame, all you just have to do is set a buy limit, right? You set a buy limit, and then when it hits that amount that you want it to be set as, then you quickly set a sell limit for it to hit a good amount. So that's how you go with those very low time frames. You have to be on your desk, on your phone, on your laptop, monitoring these things, right? But if you're doing like this is 3 minutes, yeah, the 3 minutes is also quite volatile, as you can see here. It is kind of volatile, as you can see. Wow, would I take this? I'm not sure, because look at it. The parabolic SARS is looking a bit advanced, but it looks like, well, I think the best time frame we should look at is either between the 15 minutes or the 1 hour time frame. Like I always tell you guys that my decisions are always based on the 1 hour time frame. And why is that? It's that because the 1 hour time frame is a median. Like I always say, it's somewhere like cuts across between the lower time frames and the higher time frames. With that, you can't go wrong. It's always best to make your decision based on that. And from what I can see here, until I see a parabolic dot or dots come up underneath, I wouldn't be taking this BNB. So I would say just leave it for a while. So BTC, we've taken a good look at that. Well, for BTC, it's going through its pump right now. But for me, if I'm going to take this trade, I'm going to have to see a parabolic SARS right underneath it, because right now it's trying itself to clear out of the dump zone, right? So you got to give it some little bit of time for you to be able to see what you can take, okay? Don't forget, if you have any coins you want us to analyze, just drop that in the comments. Even if it's after the live, just drop it. We can always look at these some time later. Welcome, guys. I can see you trooping into the room. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so let's get into it, right? ETH, let's check that out. It has moved from 609 to 628. Awesome, awesome. It's making its move. It's getting its time in, and then you can see that right now it's actually working, okay? Yeah, it had some dumps yesterday, as you can see in the past, like about 7 hours. You can see how many consecutive dumps did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. But now it's trying to get itself out of the woods. It ran all the way to 2,686, as you can see there, and now it's currently at 627. At the time we were doing the live, it was about 2,610, 609, and now it's like that's how trading is always. And I always tell you that when it goes up, after some time, it will begin to correct itself. So that's how trading runs. You'll have a run along, a bull run, and then there's a corrective measure, right? After it corrects and begins to have a pullback, then it goes back up again. So right now, it's currently going back up out of the dump. So give it some time. Personally, I would always like to see the parabolic SARS underneath first before I take my trades. Okay, let's get into it. Look at Solana. Solana has moved from 110 to 111. So it's still, like I said, a good peak, a very good peak. It's steadily going up. It's still, look at it. After a lot of pumps in the past 2 days, it's taken a little bit of dump. Well, that's normal, right? And now it's going back up. So don't forget, if you want to put some Solana in your kitty, this is the time to do so. I can tell you, when there are major events coming, things begin to happen, and you don't want to miss out on that. So Solana is a good pick for us so far. It has been on this hot page for like, at least I know, for over a week. Solana has been on this hot page. So I think you should look at it. Then CKB is a good one. It's been working. I've taken the trades on CKB, and I've done a couple of trades on CKB, and I know that CKB is actually a very good pick so far. Even in this series, I still did a trade and it executed. So CKB is also good. Let me see. Oh yeah, look at it. Just look at it, so lovely. What about the RS side? RS side is 82. That means it's intense. If you want to get in now. Get in now if you want to get in, because let me check this on the 4 hour time frame. Same here is good. Also, look at it in 1 day. In 1 day, see that huge pump. If you had taken this trade yesterday when we analyzed it, do you know how much you would have made by now? right? You would have made a whole lot of money. That's the truth. Look at the huge pump that it gave it just within a day, right? What about the lower time frames? Let's look at the lower time frames. The lower time frames, yeah, it's good, but it's having a pullback on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's check the 5 minutes. The 5 minutes is good. Oh, yeah, it is good. It is good. And the 3 minutes, still good. What about the 1 minute? Let's find out what's going on. The one minute is having its own downturn, but I would say the 3 minutes and the 5 minutes and the 15 minutes are looking good. Guys, thank you so much. If you can hear me loud and clear, say yes in the comments. All right. Thank you so much for joining. I'm so glad you're here. Now, if you have any coins that you want us to analyze, make sure you drop that in the comments. And I have a pin comment here if you want to join our training classes where we do deeper dives, right? And take time to look at trades, personally and look at it one-on-one. I would like us to just click on that link and you'll be chatting with me to get more information about our training programs. It's in the pin comment. I'll also drop it again, maybe up before the end. Oh, I can see. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, thank you so much for coming. Well done, well done, well done. All right, so I'll drop it again so that you can see it right in the comment. You can just click on it and then you'll be chatting with me. Right, look at CKB. Look at CKB. CKB is not joking at all. It's not joking. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. It's looking very, very good. All right, what about this new addition, which is NULS? Yeah, I'm sure it's on the gainers page. Let's go to the gainers. Is NULS here? It is. It is. It is here. So we're going to take a good look at that, right? But our number one on this page is CKB. Now, if you heard what I just said, just type CKB in the comments, right? CKB is hot in the comments, okay? CKB is hot. Look at it. We may just take this one again. Wow, it's pumping. Oh my God. Look at it. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing here? It has moved. It moved from 8.8 to 9.1 just now. Wow. Interesting. Before I come back, I want to show you something. Let me show you the trade that we took yesterday. Look at it. Look at quick. Actually, let me show you. Let me go into the trade history so you can see. Quick executed. We took the trade. Quick USDT. We did that yesterday. And it has executed, giving us 2.5% profit. Awesome, beautiful one, right? So let's go and take a good look at what happened to Quick. Let's look at what happened to Quick before we go into CKB. Wow, CKB is hot. Quick, let's see what happened to Quick. Wow, we took Quick at 6.1. It went all the way, and then now it's coming down. Look at it. Can you see what I'm saying? I tell you. Look at what happened. Wow, it went all the way to 7.4. Meanwhile, we took this trade at 6.1, right? Take a good look at where we took it. Let me show you. Let me go back and show you the price that we took it as, okay? We took this at, what was the price? We bought it at 0.615 and we sold it at 0.633, and that gave us 2.5% profit. Look at it. Let me show you the profit. This was on a $20 trade, not on the $100. If I had done the $100, I would have made $5, right? So what would I have made? No, I would have made $2.50. That would have been it, because that would have been 2.5%. But I took a $20 trade and I made 2.5% on that. That is awesome. That's a good one. Right? I'm going to ship out my profit later. Let me not waste your time. Okay. So take a good look at Quick. Quick is awesome. So let's go to the big one, the one that's currently moving right now. Let's get back in there and check what's going on. CKB is moving. Wow. Do I want to take this one? Let's see what's going on. Oh, it's 84. Woo. If I pick this, I'm taking it as a risk. If I pick this one, it's gonna be a risk. Yes, because this could switch any moment and then it can begin to go down. Maybe I'll just hold on a bit. Oh my God, should I just go in? What do you think, guys? Should we take this CKB trade? If you think we should go ahead, just say yes in the comments. If you think we should hold on a bit, let me know what you think about it. What do you think? Do you think we should take this CKB trade? If you think we should just say yes in the comments. If you think we should hold on a bit and wait, because this is currently at 84. Now, let me tell you my rules for taking trades. I'm going to tell you my rules for taking trades on gainers, right? First one is that it must have the parabolic stars underneath. And we can see that the parabolic star is actually underneath it. It's even actually very advanced, right? Let me see how many of you guys. Welcome. Please don't forget to smash that like button. Just click on the like button and say, yes, I agree that I'm getting value from here. Just click on the like button. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. So you can see that CKB is moving ahead and it's pumping. But you see, something might likely happen in a few minutes. And I just told you that's exactly what's going on right now. It will begin to switch. Why? Because the RSI is at 84. That means it's at the overbought level, right? And when we're looking at the RSI as an indicator, it has those levels. It has what we call the overbought levels and the oversold levels. Now, the overbought levels are anything above 70 and above. And one of my rules is that if it is above 75, don't pick it, because at that point, it is about to switch. But there are some exceptions, right? There are some exceptions. So you may not be able to tell what could happen in the next minute. But for now, I'm seeing that it's pumping. My third rule is I should be pumping, and it is pumping. Now, the only constraint I'm having right now is that the RSI is 84. So, guys, what do you think? Should we take it? I'm just waiting for your comments. Should we take it or not? What do you think? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. I'm just waiting to hear your thoughts. I'm waiting to hear your thoughts. What do you think? Should we take this one? Because it looks very juicy, guys. It looks juicy. But you see, it's also very risky too. What do you think? Let me see whether anybody has dropped a comment there. I'm just waiting. Okay, if you're not going to decide on that, let's go ahead. I'll come back and check in a bit, because I wouldn't want to get myself entangled into this and then it now begins to switch all the way down. Look at where it hit. It hit 9370 and it went down. So it's possible, if it's able to retest that particular zone, if it's able to test it and go beyond that, that shows that it has beat the current high, and that means it's going to have a higher high, right? Oh, hello, Pharaoh Park says, take it. All right, so I'll take it. If you think so, I'm just looking for it to see whether it will go up a bit. Okay, it actually went up a bit. It actually broke through. So I think maybe we should. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's take a $20 trade on this. Pharaoh Park says we should take it. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Let's hope that this works. Let's put $20 in there. Right? Okay, let's go and take it. Oh, it's currently in the queue. What do we do? Do I cancel it or do I wait? It will surely go. Want to go, or let's cancel it? Oh yeah, it's gone. It shows it's going up. Once you see that it goes off like that, it can see that immediately it went into action. Now look at it. Let's go and see. It has broken beyond that. That means it has crossed the line. Once you see that has happened, it's going up. Because once it has broken its earlier points where it's reversed, it's showing that it's going up. So all we just have to do right now is go ahead and place our sell limit. So what's our sell limit? Our sell limit will give us 2.5%, right? Yeah, I could say between 2 to 2.5%. Let's try 2.5% then. But with this, we need to check where is the highest place. Oh, we have to create a new one. We have to, wow, look at it. Let's check. Are we in profit already? Are we in profit? We are in profit, babies. We are in profit. Let me wait and see whether I can wait. Oh, yeah, look at it. Look at this. Look at this. We are in profit. Oh, my God, what is going on here? Look at it. Let's just click on it and see. We are in profit. I am selling out, guys. I am selling out. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, my God. Should I wait? Should I wait? What do you think, guys? Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's gone down. It's gone down. I saw $20.47. That's what I saw. It went down. Oh, my God. What are we doing here? Let's go for this 9546 now. Let's see whether it will go. Or maybe we should just sell out. Let's go for it. Let's go. It's gone down. Oh my God. It has gone down. Yes, Pharaoh Park, I can see. All right. I think we'll just go for that amount. Let's see whether, oh yeah. Oh, look at it. Look at this, 9546. Let's place that there. And let's see what that will give us. 9546. 9546. Oh, I could just have cashed out. Okay, let's go for it. Let's go. All right, so that's going to give us like about 49 cents. Well, let's see whether it will break that record and go for it. Let's see whether it will. Oh, look at it. Look at what happened. Oh my God. Let's go. Yes, I can see you. Thank you so much for that encouragement. Let's wait and see whether it will gain some more momentum and cross. Probably it would. I hope so. I truly hope so that it does. But let's just go ahead and check the others. We've set our sell limit, so we could have just have cashed out. Right now we're still in profit. I could definitely cash out, but I'll just come back and see that later on. Okay, let's go back and see what's happening. So CKB, we're currently in the queue right now, waiting for it to cross 9.5 and go into it, right? I think what we did was 9.546. Yes. So let's go and check the second one, okay? So the second one is NULS. NULS. Woo, look at it. Look at what's going on with LULS. It's going up. Yes. I'm seeing something that's going on that looks like as if it's having a pullback right now. So if it's having a pullback right now, I think we should just wait for it to cure, and then we'll come back and see whether we can take it. But for now, as you can see here, it's 29 cents, but it's having a struggle. The red candle is struggling, so I would say we should just leave it for now. Yeah. Oh, before I go ahead, I need to always do this. Let's go and take our screenshots because we won't have what we're going to use to check it out tomorrow. All right. So let's take our quick screenshots. Let's check the gainers is looking good. So let's go ahead and check NULS. No, before we go ahead, let's click on CKB, and then take the screenshot. Oh, it looks like it's about to run. It's about to run. Let's get back into NULS. Okay, if you have any coin for a pack that you want to buy or that you're currently buying right now, you guys, I welcome you. I hail you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. If you have any coin you want us to analyze right now, we just took the CKB trade again. It was looking good, right? I've taken it before in this series and it actually worked out really well. So if you have any coin you want us to look at, just drop that in the chat, okay? We'll look at that together. Meanwhile, we are analyzing all the coins on the front page of the gainers list, right? We've done the hot page, and now we're currently working on the gainers, and we're trying to see which coins we need to buy now, right? CKB obviously is one of those hot coins you need to buy now. Don't sleep on it. I just took it, I just bought it, so don't waste your time. Go into this trade because we're doing it live, okay? But if you're watching the replay, I would say please do your analysis well, because things could have changed by the time you're watching this video, right? So please make sure you do your analysis well, check on the parameters, make sure it's a safe trade to take before you go ahead. But if you're doing if you're doing this thing live with me right now, just follow what I'm doing, okay? So see it. As I can see in NULS, it's currently having a pullback, so we're going to have to wait. We're going to have to wait to stay away from it. But I just want to snap that so that we can always have something to make a reference to, okay? Then what about NTRN? NTRN is $1.39. It's good, but it's currently trying to see whether it could self. It's still trying its best. I can see that it's still on its way up, but I'm seeing that the candle is not full. The candle is still struggling. It's about to have a pullback. So in that case, anytime you see that the candle is on the red and it's coming after a green candle and it's red, you need to wait for it because it's currently having a pullback. Don't forget that. That's very, very important for you to take note of. Okay. I'm back to this page. Let's see. Let me go and check what's happening to our CKB. Oh, did he get there? Did he get there? Oh, he hasn't gotten there. Well, anyways, we had an opportunity to really cash out, but right now we have not cashed out. Let me check one more time. How much did we buy it as? I want to be sure that we bought it to know what the price was when we bought it. 9304. Okay, 9304 just means that you're just gonna give it some time for it to. Okay, still at 9309, 9318. Well, we're still in profit right now, but just very minimal profit. It's just trying to gather momentum and go up again. It's back on its green candle-ish. So let's wait and see whether I will push up one more time. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back and look at all the things that we have. We've checked NTRN. What about Super? Super was one of those coins that did well, right? It's one of those that we said, yeah, you could take. So if you took it and you made money from the trade, I'd like to know from the comments if you took it, right? Super. We had some analysis on that, and that was also a good one. But for now, it's currently in its pullback season, so you just have to hold on a bit before it comes out of that point, okay? Let us see what is going on with what about CTSI? Yes, I remember CTSI. CTSI, yeah, we analyzed that. I say one of the good things about these coins, especially coins on the gainers, is that they tend to always come back. They may go out of circulation. Okay, hello, Mizanu Rahman. He said, can we profit? Let me see what he says here. Can we profit by Mavia token? Did you say Mavia? Mavia. What is the code? Can you share with me the code? Just share with me the code. Is it like, what is the ticker name? Just send the code to me, right? Do you know the code? Like when we have Bitcoin, we have BTC and we have CKB and do you know the code? Just send me the code here. We will check it out. Mavia. I'm not sure if Mavia is currently the name. I'll go check it out. Let's check Mavia. Is that how it goes by? MAVAE. Okay, let's check Mavia. Why not? Mavia is not showing in Bitcoin in Binance here. Mavia isn't showing. Maybe, is it MAV? Is it MVI? What is the code? Oh, it's in Bybit. No, I don't use Bybit for now. So I may not be able to analyze that. I'm analyzing coins on Binance because most people tend to use Binance, right? But okay. And it's also on Mexi. Okay, I have Mexi. I can go check it. Let's go check it on Mexi. Let's check it out on Mexi. All right. Let's go and check it out on Mexi. Sorry, let me see what's going on here. Whoops, sorry, before we go, look at it. We have made some extra money. Come on, guys. Say yes to the money, okay? You know, I had 51 cents before now. I had 51 cents. Now we've made 48. Is it 48 or 49? CKB has, just right here. Just right here. Can you see right now? The trade has executed. That's it. Look at it. We were able to make how much? We made 49 cents. Yeah, we made 49 cents. Oh, yeah. That was what we were able to get. Awesome. Awesome. Yes to the money. So we have made an extra 49 cents. We had 51 before. No, that was 48 now because it would have taken some 2 cents. Okay. So we've got, it was supposed to be 49.5, but it's taking out its own. So we have 98 cents because we had 2 trades. Okay, don't forget, I told you that quick. Yes, that's it. Beautiful, right? Yes, thank you so much, Mizanu. You can see right here, just within minutes, we were able to take this trade, and it was able to execute immediately because we looked at the parameters, right? The parameters are key. When you look at the parameters and we saw that everything was in line, the only thing that I wasn't sure about was because of the RSI. It was really intense, but it showed that it had a lot of momentum, and that was why we went into it, right? That's the key, right? You must be able to take trades based on the high momentum. And look at it. It is going up. Oh my God, this is beautiful. If you guys want to take this trade, hop on it right now. But if you're watching the replay, please check it out to be sure that everything is good. Please don't come to me. This is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, right? But I can just tell you what I am doing. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only, please. But please take a good look at it. Do your your analysis. If you're not sure, you can send a message and see whether we could check it out together, right? But please, this is currently working. As you can see here. All right, we were just on our way going to Mexi to go check Mavia. So let's go and check on Mavia in Mexi, right? Let's go check on Mavia in Mexi. Okay, so I'm opening my Mexi app for Rahman, right? Brahman, I'm opening my Mexi app for you to check for Mavia, right? Let's see what's going on in Mavia's life. All right, so Mavia, I'm going to check what's happening on Mavia, if we can get it out. Mavia. Okay, Mavia is right here. Okay, can you see that Mavia is currently in MEXC? So and thankfully, MEXC has, the parabolic stars, and we're able to check on that, and that will give a more accurate, testimony, if I may use that word. It may give an assurance whether it's going up or going down. So Mavia is currently $8.31. Let's go and check in the charts and see what's happening. Wow, interesting. It just started. It's just a new coin, right? It just started a couple of days ago, right? This is a 1 hour chart. So what will I say about it? I'm looking at Mavia chat. Is anybody, if you actually have any coins, let me just drop them in the comments, right? Drop them in the comments. I'm also going to drop, my link here inside the comments if you want to join us in our training program. All you just have to do is click on the link that I just dropped here. You can just message me to get more information about our training programs, where we hold you by the hands, we give you a signals package, and we also have live classes to do more deep dives. Okay, so looking at Mavia here it is. It's going up. I'm seeing that the parabolic star is going up, but currently right now it's experiencing a pullback, a very short, it's probably an hour long pullback. I don't know how long that's going to take. I would say if you want to buy this, make sure that this pullback is over. Make sure you can see that it has a defined green candle. All right, it says here, Mizano says yes, in the airdrop it gave, that was the airdrop. It says that the airdrop gave us 12.25 Mavia, about $100, about $10. Wow! So that means they gave you the airdrop. So you have the airdrop. How many pieces of Mavia do you have? 12.5 Mavia. That's about $100, right? Okay. Did you buy it? Did you buy it as like on a discounted amount? Did you buy it, or were you given? What happened? Just let me know. Did you buy it or you were given? Did you get my question? My question is that did you buy it with $100 and they gave you 12.5 Mavia, or did you just get the airdrop as a gift? Did you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So it said now, no, they gave us for free in the airdrop. Okay. So is the airdrop currently on, or they finished the airdrop? They finished giving the airdrop, or they're still giving the airdrop, or it's currently on? Okay. Anyways, that's nice if they can. That means that. So, but you can get to sell this right now. If you want to sell it, I think you'll be able to make some good money. Yes, that's interesting. So I'm being told that this Mavia airdrop is on. So anyone that's interested, you can go get it. Anyways, so you can see that currently right now, if you want to buy it, but did they put any restriction on when you can sell it? Now, what you have been given, when can you sell it? Can you sell it immediately now, or you have to wait for some time before you can get to sell it? It's at 12.5 Mavia. So how much does that come to? 12.5 Mavia. Let me check how much 12.5 Mavia is. So yes, instant. So have you sold yours, or you're waiting for it to go up? I think you're waiting for it to go up, right? Let me see what 12.5 is. 12.5. Oh, that means that you're in profit. You get $103. That's interesting. So I'm sure you want to wait for it to get to probably $20 before you sell. I think so. Anyways, that's a good one. So Mavia is currently it's there, it's running. And oh, what am I doing? I think I've changed this. Not now. Let me go back. No. Set up later. What am I doing? No. I'm totally out of. This is what I was supposed to be in. I'm in sports. Okay. So Mavia is good. I was just going to go to check. Just hold on. If anybody wants to buy Mavia, you would still have to hold on, right? And let this go out of the pullback it has. Yes. Yeah, so I'll check. Okay, someone says XRP good or bad. We'll check XRP right now. No problem. We'll take a check on that. Right. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you're just coming across my path for the first time, please go ahead and click on subscribe and let me know that you just subscribed. And I send you a big thank you hug, right? A thank you. Well, what do I call it? A thank you, big thank you in the message, right? Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. I'm waiting for you. If you haven't subscribed at all, go ahead and just click on subscribe and tell me in the comments that you just subscribed. Thank you so much. All right. So Hazan says, is XRP good or bad? Let's go and check it. So I'm going to go and check XRP in. So before I leave Mexi, Raman, have I answered all your questions? Are you clear about this? Have I been able to answer all your questions, Raman? Are you comfortable with all my answers? If you want to take your time to wait for it to get to probably $20, you have to be careful. Thank you very much, Raman, for that quick yes answer. I appreciate you. If you just be careful so that it doesn't go too low. Anyway, it was a gift. So anytime where you cash out, you're making money. All right. Well done, guys. Thank you so much. Let's go to Binance and go and check on X. Oh my God. Look at CKB. CKB is 010. Wow. Did anybody take this trade with me? Look at it. Look at it. Who took this trade? I just took it and made money. Who took this trade? CKB has gone up. Wow, guys, are you seeing this? Has anybody taken this CKB trade with me? You guys are just watching me make money. Have you taken the trade? Go ahead and enter this trade. It's still a good one, right? It's still good. It's still good. It's still good. But please, if you're watching the replay, check all the parameters. Wow, this is awesome. Let's go and check what's happening to XRP. Yeah, because Hazan says we should check XRP. Let's see. XRP, what's going on with your life? XRP USDT. Okay, let's go and check. Okay. Well, this is my own opinion. I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame. So, looking at the 1 hour time frame, I would say that currently it had been in a downturn, as you can see here. Guys, if you have any coins, please let me know in the comments, right? Let's take a good look. Right now, we're looking at XRP. Hasn't asked us to look at XRP. So, look at it here. It's currently coming out of its pullback. No, this is not even a pullback. This was a dump. It had a dump like about 5 or 6 hours ago. And as you can see, it had some consecutive red candles, like 3 consecutive red candles. That was a dump, right? So, initially, if you look at it, all this happened within the past 24 hours. It was initially pumping like yesterday. It rose all the way to 53 cents. Then after that, it came down and began to go sideways. Now, when a coin is going sideways, you can see this portion here. When it's going sideways, it's not the best time to enter a trade because you're not sure of its direction. You might stay there, because don't forget, we're doing trading and we want to get in and get out. So we're not just holding for long, right? We are not just investing, we are trading, okay? So you want to be sure that, yeah, you're picking the hot coins and you are able to cash out. Not immediately, of course, after a couple of hours, right? So that portion there signified some disruption and indecision. Then all of a sudden, it took a switch and started going down, as you can see. So now it's in pump mode, right? You can see that it's starting to go up. But I would say if you want to take it, wait to see a parabolic star under it. Because my rule for taking any trade in spot trading, especially whether it is new listings or whether it is gainers, you should have the parabolic stars underneath. Right now, the parabolic stars is on top. So because it is on top, you have to wait for it to come down. That is an assurance that it's actually in an upward trajectory. Right? That's what I would say. So Hazan, did that help? I would say for now, it looks good. If you want to go on the 4 hour, it's not bad. Oh, on the 4 hour, it's still like having the 2 parabolic stars on top of it. Yikes. What about the 1 day? Okay, the 1 day is not bad. It has the three parabolic stars, which means that it's just beginning to come out of the woods. I'm seeing a little bit of pullback here, but if you go into XRP, it's not going to be a quick trade. You're holding it for a longer period of time, probably 1 or 2 weeks, maybe like a week or thereabouts. It's not going to be like a very quick scalping trade. You won't be able to do that. If I go and check on, the lower time frame, like the 1 minute time frame, it's good, but it's not as volatile. I'm not seeing that quick movement. Look at it, it's not bad. Look at it moving to 52.57. 52.58. So that means you can only use large sums to really take advantage of very small price movements. That's what will happen in the 1 day, in the 1 minute. As you can see, it's moving from 52.57 to 52.58, right? The reason why 52.56, I mean, to 52.57, that means if you want to take advantage of this, you are actually buying at a very, 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 very conservative price, and then you will sell at a conservative price. But you have to use a huge amount of money to be able to make these gains quickly. But it's working. Even on the lower time frames, it's working. But you can actually just move in and move out. Yeah, on the 3 minutes is not bad. Then what about the 5 minutes? The 5 minutes is also not bad. That means that you're going to be making use of bigger sums to get bigger profits. Okay, that's what you are just going to do. But if you want to take this trade on, based on its merit that I can see here, I would say when you take this trade now, it's still going to go on for probably a day or thereabout. Maybe it might come down a bit and go up a bit. So maybe like you'll be out of the woods, maybe like in about 2 days, right? So that's what I think. So what do you think, Hazan, with that analysis? Are you okay with that? Does it make sense? Did that help? Let me know if that helped in the comments. Okay, so let's get going. Let's look at the rest of it. Wow, look at it. Look at this. I have to ship out my profit. Yes, like I always do, ship out the profit, ship out the profit, ship out the profits. Okay. Thanks a lot, Hassan. God bless you. So let me go ahead and just quickly ship out. I always love to do that. Let me quickly ship out the profit. Okay, we are shipping out the profit. Okay, yes, that's what we want to do. So let's ship out the profits. Okay, let's put in the max. That's not what we're doing. Let's put in the max. Okay, let's put that here, and then we will cancel that front and then send our 98 cents, which is a combination of the payment from the profit we made from Quick and the profit we made from CKB, all combined together. Yeah, that's it. And those are just from $20 trade. We made that much. Now, looking at this, I hope you're learning from it. If this has made sense, if it has been worth your while and worth your stay, let me know in the comments if this has helped you in any way. All right, let's go back and see what we have for the rest of the day before we call it a day. So we checked on CTSI. CTSI is good, looking good. You can take it if you wanna. Yes, let's check what's going on here. Oh, 81, that means it's intense. There's some intensity going on in these coins. Yeah, you can still take it. I'm seeing that, the other things are fulfilled. Like I always say, you must have at least two out of the three. First off, you must have the parabolic stars underneath. Then second, we must have, the RSI no more than 75. And then it must be pumping. Now, out of the three things, two things have been taken. One is still on the dicey mode because it's actually at 81, but because the other things are still there, it's possible to take it, right? It's possible to take it. It's possible. I wouldn't take it for now because I'm looking at it that it looks like this thing may just switch and it goes, so I may not want to take it. I took a risk on CKB and it paid off, right? I took a risk on CKB and it paid off because I saw the intensity, but I'm not sure that intensity will last so long. So personally, right now you can see it's having a slight pullback. Wow, it went on to 102 CKB. Oh my God. You guys, I hope you guys are seeing this, right? Take this trade before it's too late. Take it before it's too late. Anyways, then we have ORN. What's going on with ORN? Let's see that one. Let's see what's happening with ORN. Oh, no. I would say stay out of it for now. It's having a pullback, so stay out of it for now. So let me go and click on the one. Let me just snap the ones that I want to take note of that we would be looking at. Oh my God, see CKB. CKB is good. Yeah, let's see that. Then we have NULS. I'll just check on all of these ones and see what happens to them by tomorrow. All right, then Super. Would I want to take that? Let's just do Super. Super is not bad also. You can take Super. Yeah, it came back. Then seat NTRN. I think NTRN we said we should hold. Oh yeah, it's going up. NTRN is not bad. Yeah, all of these coins are looking good. CTSI, interesting. CTSI is not bad. ORN, let me see what's going on with ORN. No, just hold on with this one. Don't go near it right now. All right, so we're just taking a couple of snapshots, right? And I'll be checking on them. We'll be looking at them. Oh, let's see. What do we have here? Okay, do you have a recommendation channel for daily trading? Yeah, that's what we do here. This is we are analyzing to know which of the coins you should take. That's what we do here every day around the same time. We have if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll get a notification, right? You will get a notification if you're subscribed to the channel, and I would like you to subscribe, right? So because every day I come over here to talk about the different coins you should take, and that's what we're doing here. And right on this today's live stream, I have picked a trade that has executed, and that was CKB, right? And I'm recommending that you should take that trade too. It's a good one, right? I also recommended that you can take CTSI. That's what we do here, right? You can see it. I'm recommending you take it because all the parameters are good. So what I do here every day on this live stream is I look through coins and I decide and I show you the analysis. We look through the charts. We take the ones that we believe are good. I also take trades. You can see like I took a trade today. If you weren't here at that time, you can always rewind and go and see when I took the trade and how the trade executed right on this live stream. Yeah, that's what we do here. So are you cool with that? Are you good with that answer? You can always check in every day for our live streams around the same time. All right? Thank you. So if there's any other person that wants us to analyze any coins, just drop that in the chat. Let me know which of the coins you would like us to analyze. And then before we call it a day, normally I wouldn't want us to go beyond, 1 hour max. In fact, 45 minutes, you can see now. I don't want the time to go too long. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, so just a quick recap before I go. The top 3 coins I have here today are CKB, or CTSI, and I think that should be Super, right? So CKB is still good. Go for it. I think Super is also still good. Yes, Super is still good, and CTSI is still good. Don't waste your time on it. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be with you again tomorrow. Take care and have a great day. Bye.